All right, welcome to Law Finance Free with William Jimmy, and I got some coffee spilled on this. Sorry about that. Today I want to talk about the calculation of foreign rate agreement. FRA is just like any underlying asset or some sort of agreement. I just treat this as asset, whether it's like a future or a rate agreement or something like that. It's just asset that we are going to calculate, and just like any asset or any agreement, any contracts, we can use timeline because this is like a time sensitive thing. So, for example, I draw a timeline, start from 0, and we got some sort of time, and I'm going to treat this time as a th, okay, and this will be the time, maybe m, okay, and all this time will be the time h plus m, okay, and you can also say that equals to time t, okay, so just time 0 all the way to time t. And foreign rate agreement is really simple. You just need to know that, for example, if this foreign rate agreement start here and we end here, and by the way, the foreign agreement, if you want to like initialize the foreign rate agreement, you're going to initialize here and end here. But by this time, this is the time like h, is this foreign rate agreement's expiration date. So when the foreign rate agreement expire, you start to execute the contract. Okay, so basically, this is like initialization that when you enter the foreign rate agreement, and this is where you end this foreign rate agreement. But once you end, it's like like a potion when you play a game. You use this potion, and the potion will have this amount of time that will heal you, something like that. Okay, and at here you got a specific spot rate. Okay, so at time 0 you are here, you're selling at time 0, you enter into the market, say, hey, we got like a spot rate, and the spot rate to time h, we have the LH as a spot rate. Of course, if you make a longer spot rate, you will have, say for example, to time t, you're going to have a L and T spot rate. And say you got like a LT as a spot rate as well. So basically the LT spot will also be the L like H plus M. Okay, because h plus m equals t. Okay, so just all this condition that I've been set, and then we can write the formula. Okay, remember the foreign rate agreement most of the time is advanced set, but it's settled in arrear. That means that it's the time here you settle, but if you set this is advanced set. Okay, so so if you want to calculate like the foreign rate agreement here at this time, start from time h all the way to time t. Okay, so the duration will be the Tm, will be something like this. So 1 plus, and we got like a spot rate at here, okay, LH spot rate times the time TH, okay, and this, if you multiply, will equal to, you start at time 0 and all the way to time t. So this will be like this time frame, and once you get that, like you invest in that spot rate, you get all the money as well as interest you're going to invest that again using the FRA, and then it will equal to like you invest at time 0 and invest all the way to time t. Okay, so pretty simple. 1 plus foreign rate agreement. This foreign agreement is advanced set, so it will be set at time 0. Okay, and you're going to have duration of time m. That will be equal to sorry, I'm going to like write it here, equal to 1 plus all the way, okay, all the way. So it will be the spot rate of this really long time frame spot rate. That will be 1 plus LT, or 1 plus LH plus M. Okay, of course, we're going to multiply that by the whole time frame. So if it's T, the time frame will be the T. Okay, so pretty simple. And that's it. That's it, pretty simple. So you kind of like assume that the principal is just $1 or whatever, like 1 unit. Okay, so if you want to calculate FRA at time 0, that will be 1 plus LT multiply T, or let's say capitalized. Okay, you divided that, like you divide that by both sides, the left side and right side. Okay, you divided 1 plus this H multiply TH. Okay, and then you got this. Okay, but you want to get this FRA, so you're going to subtract both sides by 1. Okay, so this is gone, and you want to calculate FRA divided by TM. Okay, so all that divided by TM. So that will be the FRA. Really simple. And yeah, that's it. That's how to calculate FRA.